Welcome you all, my dear learners. I am Mrs. M. Suguna, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Now we are here to discuss about the subject Information Technology in Business. In particular, we are going to discuss about the topic Classification of Ecommerce. Electronic commerce or e-commerce is a methodology of modern business which addresses the need of business organizations, vendors, and customers to reduce cost and improve the quality of goods and services while increasing the speed of delivery. E-commerce refers to the paperless exchange of business information using the following ways: electronic data interchange, electronic mail, electronic bulletin board, electronic fund transfer, and other network-based technologies. E-commerce business models can generally be categorized into the following categories: business to business, business to consumer, consumer to consumer, consumer to business, business to government, government to business, and government to citizen. First, we are going to discuss about the type of e-commerce business to business. A website following the B2B business model sells its products to an intermediate buyer who then sells the product to the final customer. As an example, a wholesaler places the order from a company's website and after receiving the consignment sells the end product to the final customer who comes to buy the product at one of its retail outlets. See in diagram, we can see the wholesaler places the order in website and gets the product through business organization, and then he sells the product to the customer. Next comes the model business to consumer. A website following the B2C business model sells its products directly to a customer. A customer can view the product shown on the website. The customer can choose a product and order the same. The website will then send a notification to the business organization via email, and the organization will dispatch the product or goods to the customer. So this is like we are ordering the product online, is it no? Through Snapdeal or Flipkart. Likewise, the product will be dispatched to us. See in diagram, the customer places the order in website. The order will be processed through business organization and the product will be supplied back to the customer. Next comes the consumer to consumer model. A website following the C2C business model helps consumers to sell their assets like residential property, cars, motorcycles, etc., or rent a room by publishing their information on the website. Website may or may not charge the consumer for its services. Another consumer may have to buy the product of the first consumer by viewing the post or advertisement on the website. See here in diagram, we can see the customer one places the wish, that is the product he wants to sell in the website, and the customer two views the product in website and he sends the money to the first customer and gets the product from the first customer. Next comes the consumer to business model. In this model, a consumer approaches a website showing multiple business organizations for a particular service. The consumer places an estimate of amount he or she wants to spend for a particular service. For example, the comparison of interest rates of personal loans or car loan provided by various banks via website. A business organization who fulfills the consumer's requirement within the specified budget approaches the customer and provides its services. So here in website, for example, there will be different banks who are providing the loan. So the customer can search in website and select the particular bank with least interest and he asks the benefit from that. So that is shown in the diagram. You can see business organization processes the order and through that he sends the money to the, that is product, to the customer, and also receives the money for its service. Next comes business to government. B2G model is a variant of B2B model. Such websites are used by governments to trade and exchange information with various business organizations. Such websites are aggregated by the government and provide a medium to business to submit application forms to the government. See in diagram, we can see the business organization communicates with government through website. Next, we are going to see about the government to business model. Governments use B2G model websites to approach business organizations. Such websites support auctions, tenders, and application submission facilities. So see in diagram, we can see government will communicate with business organization through website. Next comes government to citizen. Governments use G2C model websites to approach citizens in general. Such websites support auctions of vehicles, machinery, or any other material. Such websites also provide services like registration for birth, marriage, or death certificates. The main objective of G2C websites is to reduce the average time for fulfilling citizens' requests for various government services. See in diagram, we can see the government provides a website for citizen usage. So that's all about the concept. Now we are going to see about the questions for you. This is the question session. Here are 2 questions you have to answer. Give your answer in the comment box. The first question is, any person sells his laptop on OLX by which medium of e-commerce, whether it is B2B, B2C, or C2C, or none of these. And the second question is, which e-commerce model involves the sale of goods or services from businesses to the general public, whether it is B2G or B2C or B2B or C2B. So give your answer in comment box by specifying the question number. Thank you all my dear learners. Let us see in next video. Thank you once again.